Instead of a traditional business plan or formal prospectus, ICOs use technical white papers. A well-written ICO white paper will give you a lot of the information you need to know before investing. They should cover how the platform will work, the potential uses, the ICO pricing structure, the development plans using the ICO proceeds, and so on. Whether it has a landing page or a full website, every ICO will have some sort of official online presence. And don't be fooled by the flashy layout and persuasive marketing language. These mean very little to your research. If a coin or ICO website or landing page easily provides you with information which answers your questions in a straightforward way, then that's a good start. They should provide access to their white paper and may have other useful links to supporting information. If you leave feeling confused or that you've not learned very much, then beware. The cryptocurrency market and ICOs are becoming a very popular everyday topic. You should be able to easily find information, people's opinions, expert reviews and so on a variety of different online channels. Reddit and other cryptocurrency forums are an excellent way to engage with fellow enthusiasts, especially if you are a new trader. You will find plenty of individuals who can answer questions that you might have, who are willing to share information that you might have missed. Try to see if the ICO that you are researching has their own social media channels, or if they show up in any other channels. The more active they are on social media, promoting and keeping the public aware of their developments, the better it is for investor confidence and research potential. ICO rating websites are a very good resource which allow you to compare different ICOs, read ICO news, make yourself aware of any alerts or issues, and find ICOs to participate in. Here are a few options to get you started. Coin Schedule is a little overwhelming when you first visit, but the site does provide solid analysis of current and upcoming ICOs. Smith & Crown is a curated list of ICOs and provides current market information on established cryptocurrencies. ICO List is a popular international ICO site that categorizes its information by ICOs that are over, starting soon, and ongoing. Token Market includes information about ICOs and about already established coins. And Sense Token shows countdowns for upcoming ICOs and a wealth of other information like white papers, videos, alerts that you should be aware of, and plenty of other useful resources. Here is a list of useful questions that you should use to help you gather information when conducting your market research. These questions are equally relevant whether you are deciding on which ICO to participate in or researching an already established coin. Does the coin have a clear objective? A coin needs to clearly state its purpose, since not all coins are meant to act like a traditional currency. Does it solve a real problem or have a strong use? The more common the problem, or the greater the impact of the problem that the coin solves, the greater the coin's value is likely to be. If the coin is the first of its kind and has a strong use, then it will certainly have a strong advantage over the competition. Is the information provided full of hype? When you do your research, can you get to the facts, or is it just jargon? If you only see marketing jargon, then you should probably stay away. And if you can only find a website or a landing page, I think you should certainly avoid this option. How does the white paper read? Is it well written and well structured? Does it stack up well against experts' opinions? Does it explain the technology in depth? The stronger the white paper, the more confidence potential investors will have, and the better the coin will perform in the market. Who is backing the project? If the project was and is still backed by prominent investors, then the coin will probably be more credible. What is the consensus mechanism of the coin? And this covers how changes to the decentralized systems are decided on. Common examples are proof of work or proof of stake. It is really important to know how the coin works. Is the coin centralized or decentralized? It is a basic but important requirement to know how the network is structured. Cryptocurrencies are meant to be decentralized in nature. However, centralized coins do have their own advantages. Is there a development plan? You can gauge the development team's commitment by whether or not there is a clear timeline for the development of the coin. How much money has the ICO raised and how much has been spent? Any financial information on spending habits will show you a great deal about the team behind the coin. How different is the coin from its nearest competitor? If the coins are all the same, then there is little incentive to try something new. How strong is the target market? Coins that appeal to a very small niche won't be strong in the market. The group needs to be large enough to support growth, but still well defined. And are there any legal barriers? This technology is new and always changing, and legal and government bodies are still trying to catch up. So you need to make sure that there are no regulatory issues with the coins that you choose. The ultimate success of a coin depends largely on the core founding team. This is important regardless of if you're looking at an ICO or a more established coin. Are they actively communicating? The more open the team behind a coin is, the more committed they are, and the larger their desire to succeed. Do they openly talk about their development progress and stick to their timelines? Or is everybody pretty much in the dark? How many coins will there ever be? Many coins do have a finite supply, and this gives the coin a stronger value. All coins with defined supplies will have that information posted somewhere. Usually you can find out how big the total supply is and how much has already been released. The higher the percentage of coins given to the team, the worse it looks. Also, if most of the coins are owned by a few people, this could be a bad indication as well, because those individuals could easily manipulate the market price. What is the market capitalization of the coin? This is easily found online on many exchange sites, and is really a very good measure of the coin's value.